How you doing? I'm Meteorologist Paul Deanno with your KOMO 4-Dub Western Washington Weather Webcast for September 20th on this showery Monday morning. And it has really been wet in Western Washington. Olympia already the record wettest September with a week and a half to go. And in Seattle already the fourth wettest September. And more rain is falling today with plenty more in the forecast. Perhaps a strong Pacific storm coming in on Friday and into the weekend. We're looking forward now to October. This is the Climate Prediction Center's outlook for October. So right there, it's the half-month lead, comes out mid-month. And the one thing that stands out to me is the darkest shade of green anywhere in the country is right there over top of us. Now, see that 50% right there? Equal chances would mean 33% chance of it being normal, 33% chance being above normal, 33% chance of it being below normal, whether it's temperature or rainfall. In this case, we're looking at rainfall for the month of October. Anywhere where you see green, government scientists believe there's a higher than normal likelihood of it being wetter than normal. That would be up and down the eastern seaboard, Florida, the Gulf Coast, probably because of increased hurricane activity. But right here, there's the bullseye. That's a 50% chance or greater likelihood that we will be wetter than normal in October. I've been looking at these maps for several years, and very rarely do I see a 50% likelihood or greater for a half-month lead. But that's exactly what we're looking at right now. It plays right into the theme of La Nina, which is on this map. Here's the El Nino, equatorial heat content higher than normal. We hit May, and it falls now below normal. And all the way down here, we'll work our way across. We're now 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius cooler than normal. So it's a moderate to strong La Nina, and that is playing out with the forecast for October. But not only for October, this map right here is, as we scroll down here really quickly, you'll see OND. That is October, November, and December. And the same thing, not the East Coast anymore because hurricane season will be over, but the Pacific Northwest specifically, Western Washington very specifically, has a very high likelihood of being wetter than normal. It's what we've been telling you is going to be coming, but now we're seeing it in actual forecast form. Likely very wet weather from now all the way until the end of this year. As for La Nina, there it is. We were in an El Nino pattern, quickly transitioning down to La Nina, and wetter than normal conditions are expected coming up over the next couple months. Just in case you're curious when it comes to temperature, we'll click on that real quick. Not as strong of a signature, but up and down the west coast, including all the way from San Diego all the way up to Bellingham, looking at a above normal likelihood of being cooler than normal. This is for October, and then the 3-month outlook shows something similar, staying cooler than normal. So exactly what you would think during La Nina fall. We will be cooler than normal and wetter than normal. Now, a lot of you are snow lovers. You want that lowland snow. This is not a guarantee for snowfall, but it will increase the chance that some of those storms may drag in some cooler air and give us the chance for some lowland snow. At least a higher chance of what we had last winter, where basically nothing fell in the greater Seattle area when it comes to snowfall. As for our forecast for the next couple days, we're looking at clearing conditions after today, Tuesday and Wednesday, looking somewhat dry, mainly dry, some sunshine, nice days. Fall begins officially on Thursday, showers there, and over the weekend, the potential, not a guarantee, but the potential for some heavy rainfall as the remnants of a typhoon make its way across the Pacific and may be impacting our weather around then. So we'll be dry for a couple days, but anything but dry. Looking out October and beyond, La Nina is here. The rain will start falling, and we get a lot of rain in the fall. We will very likely see above normal rainfall for October and November and December. It's coming, folks. Here's your forecast for the next couple days. Check us out always at KOMOnews.com. That's your KOMO 4-Dub for September 20th. Make it a great day.